if you want to edit a photo using various AI tools in Canva, then here's how you can do it. First, let's go to canva.com and then you can log into your account. And then here, you can click the photo editor button. So this menu is a more dedicated place if you want to just edit a photo without having to open a document. So this is only for editing a photo. And as you can see, there are various AI tools that you could use later when you are editing the photo. And I think this is a lot better than having to open a document and then edit a photo in a aspect ratio that is different than the photo. So for this example, I'll try to edit this picture that I got from Pixabay, and there are some features that I'm going to demonstrate in this video. Of course, I cannot use all of them, but I'll cover some AI features that I think would be quite interesting to use. So here, if you go to the left side menu, there are some things that you can do. You can remove the background. And this process is automatic because it will understand what is going on the scene and will try to isolate the background and the subject. If you want to cancel, just click on this button and then click Reset Tools and click Confirm. So usually on almost all the AI tools right here, if you just want to undo, you have to click on that menu again and then click Reset. And there's also background generator. This is new. This is basically similar to background remover, but it will replace it with a new background that hopefully more interesting. And it will generate 4 different images, so you can choose which one do you think look the best. Okay, so we got these results, and honestly, they don't look right. This is not appropriate for the yoga activity. So I'm going to just click cancel. And let's talk about some other things like maybe Magic Eraser. So yeah, this is a feature that lets you remove anything from the scene. I'm going to select this area that I think doesn't look right. So I forgot to mention that you can also use a click tool in Canva. So I'm going to click reset again. Canva actually can understand what's going on with the scene. You just need to click on the click mode and it will try to see what's going on with the scene. And unfortunately, there is only one subject that is being recognized, but usually there are multiple subjects. You can select multiple elements from the picture, so you can use that. Now let's go back and let's try maybe Magic Edit. This one is also quite interesting, and right now it is empty, but I want to add, let's say, yoga ball, and then click generate. By the way, it is also possible to select the subject and then you can replace that with something else. But remember, this is AI, so the generation could be different or maybe disappointing. But again, you can keep prompting, you can keep editing to see which one you think is going to look the best or the most appropriate with the image. And let's try another feature. Maybe let's try Magic Wrap. This is also one of my favorite features. Oh, you can only use it if you're opening the regular editor. So this is not fully dedicated because there are some menus or some features that are limited. But if you want to access more, I guess Canva recommends to open it as in a regular editor. But I think this is good enough. I will try to, let's say, just remove the background, and when you're done with the editing, you can save the image, or you can also just click download to save that picture to your computer. As you can see, this is a PNG picture with no background, but you can also just click save, and the state of this picture will be saved to your Canva account. Of course, it is a copy, not the original picture. So that's how you can use Canva AI Photo Editor to edit a photo very quickly without opening a document or editor. So if you find this video to be useful, or if you want to see more cool AI tutorials, then subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.